Hi friends, welcome to CR Digital Classes. In this video, we are going to understand about demand and demand function. What is demand? So demand means a person capacity willing to pay certain price for a particular product. This is in general, in simple way of understanding. So let us see according to the definition. Demand can be defined as the amount of commodity which a consumer will purchase, is willing to purchase at a given price at a given particular period. So this is the demand. Demand for a commodity refers to both the desire and purchase of commodity, ability to pay. So when we say the demand, you should have these qualities, like first of all, the person should be willing to buy that product, and the person should be having capacity to buy that product. It is very important. And sometimes even though the person is having capacity, he may not be willing to buy. So the person should have the ability as well as willing to buy the product. So three aspects should be there for fulfilling, for saying it as a demand. One is the person should have the desire to purchase the commodity, the person should have ability to pay, the person should have to willing to buy that product. So these are the main points to say that the demand is there. Then the demand refers to the quantities of commodity that the consumers are able to buy at each possible price during a given period of time, other things being equal. So here when the period, that is during, especially during the festival times or specific periods, people will be buying, ready to buy even if the price changes. Okay, so that is also demand. Then demand function. Demand function is mathematical relationship between quantity demanded of the commodity and its determinants. A demand function can be represented as Q is equal to F. That is demand determinant. F is demand determinants. Q is quantity demanded of a commodity. So many factors will be there for creating demand. So even sometimes you can see that festival seasons will be there, or if good example, Akshay Tritiya, sentiment, people sentiment will be there where the demand increases. So when we talk about the factors which are influencing demand, there are so many factors which influences demand. Then types of demand function. So there are two types of demand functions. One is individual demand function and other one is market demand function. So what is individual demand function? Individual demand functions talks about individual person. It talks about the individual consumer and the determinants of the individual demand. So individual demand function is the functional relationship between the demand of a product by individual consumer and the determinants of the individual demand. For individual person, what are the factors for influencing the demand? That is, it is expressed Qx is equal to F of Px I P1 to Pn T A E P E I and U. So these are the factors which influences of demand, that is f of all these, function of all these things, where one by one if we talk, Px is price of the commodity X, Qx is quantity demanded of the commodity X, consumer, that is I is income of the consumer. Even it also demands, no, because when the consumer income is low, he cannot buy it. So this is one of the factors which influences. If the price is decreasing, the consumer tries to purchase. If the person's income is increasing, the consumer have lot of chances to purchase. So each factor will be influencing. Prices of the related goods, P1 to Pn. For example, when we talk about the phones, mobile phones, Nokia and Samsung. So if any offer is given in Samsung, instead of buying Nokia, we go for the Samsung. So when one prices are increasing, it will impact the other products. As coffee, tea are the best examples. As coffee prices are increasing, people opting for the tea. So then tea. Tea is consumer taste and preferences. So consumer taste preferences will change regularly. It is not constant. So this factor is also influence the demand. Then consumers' expectations about the future prices. For example, we may be getting the news that from tomorrow onward the gold prices still more increases. Even though we don't have money, we try to take some borrowing and try to buy the prices. Not only gold, maybe shares, maybe commodities. If we come to hear about the rise in the prices, we try to obtain. That also creates demand, influences demand. Then EI, consumers' expectations about the future income. So we may have the expectation that future we are going to receive this much income. That will also impact our demand. Then advertisement, this will influence a lot. So depending on the advertisement, that is when we watch the advertisement, we may be attracted and impression to buy that product. So if the advertisement is very much effective, it will impact on the sales. The impact will be on the sales. Then other determinants, sometimes other than these determinants, as I told you, like emotions, sentiments will be there, demand will be there, conditions will be changing. So other determinants will also influence the demand. So this is about the individual demand function. These are the factors which influences individual demand. Then market demand. What are the factors which influences market demand? That is, so they say that market demand is functional relationship between the market demand for a commodity and determinants of the market demand. So let us see, are there any change between individual demand and market demand, or both are same? The factors influencing are same. So it is expressed in the same, like UX, that is QX, quantity of commodity X, function of PX, I, P1 to PN, T, A, EP, EI, P, D and U. So it is sounding some differences are there between individual demand factors and the market demand factors. So QX is quantity demanded of the commodity X, price PX is price of the commodity X, I is consumer's income, then prices P1 to PN, it is related prices, will also impact the demand, market demand. Then consumers' taste and preference also affect the market demand. Then consumers' expectation and future prices. Consumer may be expecting the price change will be there, maybe increasing or decreasing. The demand will be there, influence on the demand. Then consumers' expectations about the future income also influences the demand. Then distribution of consumers in the market as per the age and gender. So D here, when we talk about the that is depending on the age, gender and other aspects will also influence the demand when we talk about the market demand. In the individual, we did not come with the market demand, that is D, we did not come across this. Then next one is A, advertisement. It will also impact the demand. Then other determinants also, other than this, there may be some other determinants. Here P is talking about the population. So population is one of the factor which influences the demand. Which type of consumers are required that product. So this will also having demand. So this is about the market or aggregate demand function. So when we talk about the difference between both individual demand function and market demand function, that individual demand function does not consider the factors like size, nature of consumers in the given market, but market demand functions considers all the factors like size, age, gender and other things. So these are the difference between individual demand and market demand. And the question expected from this topic is, what do you mean by demand? Write about the demand function. So this is the question expected in the essay form, or maybe in the short they may ask you, what do you mean by demand, or define demand. So hope this video is helpful in understanding what is demand and demand functions, types of demand also. Thank you.